If you're using Shopify gift cards and you want to pull those gift card balances into Klaviyo in order to use them in email campaigns and flows, this is a workflow that enables you to do that. Let's jump in. So here is the workflow, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. And let's go ahead and continue. You have to connect to your Klaviyo account 2 times. So this is going to run on a schedule. We've got it configured as a daily schedule, and it will pull updated gift card balances every time it runs. We have a setup step here with the number of gift cards it's gonna pull. When you initially test it, it's good to have that at 1, so it'll just pull 1 in and you can test it and make sure that it works. So let's go ahead and run that. All right, that looks good. It's also saving to the database here. This allows us to easily group together. If they've got multiple gift card balances, we can sum them up and send them all over so you can get the total balance in Klaviyo. And it looks like it went ahead and found the profile ID from the email and updated the profile. So let's jump into Klaviyo just to show you what that's gonna look like in here. And this can be handy here to sort on profile last updated. And there we go. And here's the gift card balance that it populated in there. So it looks like we're all set. And then again, you can go ahead and change this to 250, save it, and turn it on. And when it first begins to run, if you've got a lot of gift cards, it'll iterate through those and pull them in until it gets through all of them. And then it'll stop running itself until the next time it's scheduled to run.